I just got to know now there will be some course.
Yes, we are starting off a new course now. What are you normally into, Nishant?
I'm actually working in an electronic manufacturing services company, basically, as an electrical engineer.
Lovely.
And started trading since last year. So
Good.
I'm still a newbie. A lot of things I actually learned from you, in these sessions.
Honored.
Also, Vivek.
Nalavade.
Right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
He's a fine gentleman.
Yeah. I mean, each one of you actually, I really like this community. But unfortunately, I was not spending a lot of time, coming to these sessions and other. But yeah, I think it's good time again to get in touch.
No, it's all fine. There are umpteen kinds of traders and umpteen times of investors. You could always be one who's working overtime on weekends and growing your wealth.
Right.
You could be a good swing trader if you want.
Right.
Shakil, good morning.
Good morning, Vivek sir. How are you?
I'm good, Shakil. What about you? How are you doing?
All good, sir. All good. Thank you for asking.
Lovely.
Long time actually. I attended initial few sessions with you guys, but then dropped for some months in between. Yeah.
Yeah, that is not good news to hear. What is the reason of dropping out? What was the reason of dropping out? Not happy or work?
Work, and then I thought that I don't have enough money to invest right now. So all those reasons.
Work, if it is good, work is good. I'm happy you were working, so you are building up a career. Mm-hmm. Not having enough money is no criteria. You can always start with even $100. Investment, it's a matter of investments. You grow your investment.
Yeah, that's what actually I'm thinking. If you can start with small amount, then why not?
You can always start off with small amounts. That's always the ideal way of starting investments. Start small, grow your confidence, and then say, come on, world, give me your money. I'll now grow it for you. So grow your money with us. Grow your money trading through us. That's what we would always be telling you. That's what Kamal, that's why Kamal is laughing away to glory. Look at him. He's
and that is the motive of this group.
Absolutely.
And that's the name, because we want everyone to grow and grow money trading, grow money together.
Absolutely.
Yes. I still remember that statement, Kamal. So yeah, but it's been a long time. I did not join some of the sessions in between, but hopefully this should be good. So let's see.
Hopefully, yes.
But I need to register for that beginners course, right? For the coming weeks.
Yes, you have a week to do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 week.
Sir, any discount to the old members?
That is why I said 1 week. 1 week and you'll be fine. And
okay, cool.
Yeah, we'll be talking about the fees as well. We'll cover in the orientation. So yeah, at now, if you are having some questions about those, we'll definitely spend some time talking about it.
Sanjeet, Prasad, good morning, everybody.
All right, sir. This is Nishant again here, and yes. I'm pretty sure you guys will be explaining, how this course, what will be the structure and about fee and duration. I've seen some information already there. So I'm guessing that this course will be good enough to cover even cryptocurrency investment and stocks. How about other stuff like options and those kind of, those are also part of it, or?
Nishant, all of this will be a part of the course as we keep progressing. Currently, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking the baby steps up for everybody. Talking about starting away right from scratch, taking you to a particular level of a trading expertise. And thereafter, all these courses will come in the normal course of progression.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I remember actually, it was, I guess, last year, late last year in last quarter, I was looking for, some sort of course, because I was way new to this field.
Very
and
true.
Then I came across different organizations. They are providing courses, especially in this area. I'm from GTA, near Toronto, basically.
Yeah.
So though the fees was very high, definitely, but their idea was, once you join that course, you will become sort of lifetime member, and you can access information. You can chat to those who are providing these courses, like those who are very senior in this field. So same concept I can expect from this course as well.
Something similar, if not better.
Okay, great.
Because it doesn't make sense linking you up with us for life. Rather, makes sense to make you stand on your 2 feet so that you can trade without falling back on us for support. That is the intention. The intention is to make you stand on your own feet, become a trader on your own. I mean, I would rather like to see Nishant sitting with me on the platform with the GMT logo behind him.
Okay.
That's the table I like to see.
All right.
Yeah. We would like to build that confidence in you and whoever joins to become self-independent and take trades anytime in their life, whether they are doing stocks, crypto, any financial instrument.
Sure.
Okay. I always quote my mentor in this case. He has this passion of having all his mentees becoming billionaires. I mean, that's his passion, and he is really at a different level. I'll be very happy to see all my mentees become millionaires, which is much more realistic.
Sure.
So we'll just wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start.
Prasad, Rishabh, Sanjeet, good morning. If you have any questions, feel free to unmute and ask. That's the policy of this group. Whenever you have any questions, feel free to unmute and ask.
Yeah, hi Vivek, good afternoon.
We will do. Good afternoon, Prasad. Good morning, Prasad.
Yeah.
Morning or afternoon?
So it's morning for us.
Morning for you, yeah. So there's still about 20 minutes left. All right.
Yeah. Hi Kamal.
How are you doing?
Hi Prasad.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Lovely.
Yeah, happy to join here today.
Absolute pleasure, all ours.
Yeah. So as you said, we will follow you, and we'll also become not like millionaires. We'll also make some profits through you.
I don't believe in making small profits. You have to become a millionaire.
Yeah, sure.
You see the M in between GMT? That's a million sign.
Yeah, thanks.
Right? We will keep improving upon the GMT name as we go by.
Yeah. We can transform to grow millionaires together.
Yes.
Yeah. I was about to say that. So that is another name. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, we will like to grow as a family. Do that and grow together.
Yeah. I'll just start sharing my screen.
Prasad, what are you doing normally?
So I'm from India. I'm here on work permit. So
lovely.
Yeah. So I know Kamal from past 6 years, around 5 to 6 years.
Oh, so you were batchmates, postmates and batchmates.
No, he used to work on the same company previously.
Lovely.
Yeah. So I do follow him from 5 years.
Lovely. That's good.
Yeah. And I hope he will do good in this organization.
Yes, he will.
I know. Yeah.
He's ably been supported by all his friends and his good wishers, well wishers.
Yes.
He will do wonders in his life.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks to everyone. Prasad has recently moved to Vancouver and he started taking trades, and his portfolio is already in green.
Wow, that's good. That's good. In a turmoil market, his portfolio is green. That's very good.
Yes.
That's good.
And we'll start with our session. Thank you all for joining. It's pleasure to see you all connecting this call and giving us opportunity to introduce Grow Money Trading as an organization, Grow Money Trading, in short, GMT. The agenda is an introduction to GMT team, the beginner's course, the course schedule, why you should consider this course, the course content, what the course includes additional to the contents, the course fees, and some of the offers for those who join early, and especially also for the GMT community. And then we can open up for question and answers. So let me introduce GMT as what we are. So some of you who have been with us through inception, when we created our first WhatsApp group on 17th of January 2020, I created this group as a small medium where I could share my trading positions with my housemates and with my colleagues. In no time, what we noticed, this group which we formed as for my close acquaintances, when we started sharing with some of our close acquaintances, it grew as a group very fast. And within months' time, we had to start discussing on what should be our way to come out of a limitation which WhatsApp group has of 257 members, which means we were about to hit the max member on a WhatsApp group. As an immediate means, we thought of creating a second group, and it happened the same. Within months, even the second group grew fast, that it was about to reach about 255 members and hit the max of 257. Then we thought, okay, it's getting wide acceptance. So what do we do next? Shall we create another WhatsApp group? But I was worrying that we would again hit the max count. So thought of discussing with the community itself, and one of our member who was using Telegram widely, more frequently, he suggested that Telegram doesn't have that limitation. So let's create GMT Telegram. While we are switching or transitioning to GMT Telegram, the members who were on WhatsApp, they were more comfortable on the WhatsApp, and we continued there, and there was constant request of creating a GMT crypto group. And as of today, the GMT crypto group runs 24/7. Even if I don't message in that group has become independent of me. The collaboration in the group is such that the time doesn't matter. For me, if I open that group, I see hundred messages. And we then thought of, okay, let's have a platform which could bring us all together, because it was for me to be effective and give my time on all the groups was something that I was thinking that it was going beyond my personal time. So we created GMT Discord, and then also we have recently started with some of the social platforms like Instagram and TikTok. There has been a good acceptance there as well. Now, with all this, it would be unfair if I leave one name, Tahir Ijaz, who joined us in our group 1 and came up with this idea that for us, we are very attached in the GMT group. Let's have a call where we can talk to each other. And that idea gave birth to a Zoom call, which has become a habit for us. And we meet every weekend for over 1 year, 4 months, where it is a platform for collaborative learning. And we discuss stocks, cryptos, whatever instruments our group members are interested in, we analyze and have formed that enforced us to have a platform where we could share the recordings, because there were some members who were not able to attend our live classes, and that made us to have a YouTube channel, the Grow Money Trading GMT YouTube channel, which I know most of you would already be aware that it's about to reach 4K followers, where we live stream every weekend our discussion, so that members who don't attend our live discussion, they catch up with the analysis, which is a reference of what to trade in the coming week. And not only this, like before we started the slide, Nishant mentioned about looking for a formal course. He's one example where I have been getting requests from our community that is there a formal course from where we could learn. The GMT platform has been a very educative platform for them, but is there a way that we could have it structured and add more value to what people learn from our platform? And that's why we came up with this idea of starting the beginners course, because that audience where people would first want to know how to start is more. The people who connect with us, they have more questions about that. So we started off thinking of planning this beginners course, and as a first major step, we registered ourselves, as we wanted to give a formal structure to what we deliver to add more value to our community. And that registration happened on June 11, 2021. Within a month, we positioned ourselves that we had our official website ready, and we launched it on July 18th. And here we are, just again under a month, that we are ready to launch this course for our community and to public around the globe who would want to start learning the trading, learn about how to begin trading and the trading related preparation that would make them independent for making money for their, not only for some time, but any time in their life through their skills that they earn from our course. So this wouldn't have happened without this energetic and enthusiastic team. Here, as most of you know, here am I, and Tahir, I mentioned, was the one who helped us to get a place where we could come together. And I'm sure most of you are aware of Mr. Vivek Bhatia. He's smiling, and you will hear a lot from him. We have Aditya. If any of you have joined our sessions, attended our sessions, you would definitely be seeing him in all our sessions. We have Vivek Nalavade, people who trade crypto. I think he doesn't need introduction there. He shares his analysis and he has his following. So with this team, which has a collective experience of close to 4 decades, I would say if you give yourself your time in learning from us, you would gain much more what you can anticipate. I can just say this for now. Now, without speaking much, let me take you to the beginner's course. And as most of you know, this is the website page where you could get all the information that you need about the GMT beginners course. This course is for learning trading from the basics, and we want to take you all the way up to become a successful trader, to gain success in trading. This course is curated for those who want to invest and learn the right skills in trading stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and other financial instruments. This gives you everything you need to get started and to grow money steadily. Now, talking about the course schedule, we would be starting our first batch on August 14th, and it would run for 4 weeks up to 5th September. It would be weekends only course on every Saturday and Sunday, and the timing would be 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. on Zoom online, the way we are having this session. Now, for talking about what you will learn from this course and why you should join the course, I would invite Vivek to take you through that journey.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you, friends. Now, why should you learn trading? The first concept. Understand one thing, all of you are professionals in your own field, but you did not become professionals overnight. You did your own studies, you toiled your midnight oil, you learned your skills, and then you became professionals. Be you engineers, be architects, lawyers, doctors. You all toiled yourself, you learned the skill. That's exactly what we will be doing here also. I will be expecting you guys to learn your skill of how will you manage your money? How will you grow your money? Keeping your money on table and expecting it to grow will be foolishness. You have to keep your money rolling to make it grow. That's exactly what we would be liking to teach you. How to keep your money growing. Growing by making it rolling and rolling it in the stock market. It could be rolling it in any financial instruments. But all that requires skill, and that skill will be given to you by teaching you right from the scratch of the stock market, the basic, and then slowly ramping you up to make you a professional stock trader or to make you a professional trader. The first course that we are introducing you is basically a beginner's course where we are going to teach you the basics of trading and investment. Now, trading is different, investment is different. So I have to teach you both. What is investment? What is trading? Some of you, like Nishant and Prasad, you people are those who are busy in their own career. So you want to be working and trading over the weekends. How can you do that? Yes, you can. You trade over the weekend, you research, trade, put in your feet in your trades, and then you go on a swing trade or a momentum trade for a few days. But you still will get your money growing. The idea is to make your money grow without lying idle in your banks. So that becomes an investment or trading strategy there. So we will be teaching you the difference between trading and investment, number one. Thereafter, we'll be teaching you how you have to trade, why you have to trade, when you have to trade. All this will be taught to you in teaching the trading psychology, which is lower down in the structure. But coming up in your trading and investment, the next would be candlestick patterns. Now, which you have all been seeing so far, that we always discuss structures and candlestick patterns in all our calls. Why do we do that? Because that is what the world follows. The entire trading is based on two factors, price and volume. Price and volume will help you to get candlesticks and patterns. Understand that, how the price is expected to move forward. We'll be teaching you all those patterns over there. First, few simple but important patterns, and then later, much more complex candlestick patterns. What is the probability of event happening after a candlestick is formed, after a pattern is formed? These are basic candlestick charting techniques, which we'll be teaching you guys over here. Next, basis of technical analysis. Now, technical analysis is nothing but price, volume, and time. You play with three factors: price, volume, and time. You start working on various indicators, various parameters to judge what is the future expected to be. You work on momentum, you work on oscillatory modes, you work on indicators. You start working on technical indicators as to what are they. Are they forward indicators or the lagging indicators? We will teach you all of them. How to differentiate between them, how to use them. Thereafter, once you have learned the chart patterns, you have learned about technical indicators, we will be sharing a few trading strategies with you guys. Something which can give you a dedicated return if followed diligently. Keep one thing in mind, there is no fixed trading strategy which is the golden rule strategy. Nobody in this world has a golden rule strategy. If somebody had it, he would have been the king of the world by now. Warren Buffett would have gone and asked him for help. Please let me know how to grow my money. That strategy is not known to anybody, right? But if you practice these strategies, you will learn that you are getting profits in at least 60-65% of the trades which you take, which is a very good healthy return strategy, because your exit clause in all strategies are going to be bare minimum, but your profit margins are going to be multiples. So even if you get 65 to 70% right trades, you would be doubling your money in no time. I'm sure all of us want to double our money as soon as possible, right? So the trading strategies have to be done. You have to practice these strategies. We will be sharing a few of them. I can actually share you books which gives you almost about 250 strategies so far. But that will be of no use to any one of us. I rather make you practice 4 of them, make you an expert in only one of them, and then expect you to be sitting with me next to me and becoming an instructor for that strategy. Because then you become an expert on those strategies. You understand how markets are going to move. After learning the strategies, you will learn trading psychology. What is the psychology of the mind of a trader when he's taking a trade? The greed and the fear concept will be taught to you. That is the basic human concept which is there in every human being around. The greed and the fear. The greed to grow your money fast, the greed to grow more profits, the fear of losing out. The 2 major reasons why the stock markets across the world are surviving. The greed and the fear. After that, the practical skills which you require to grow your money through trading. How to remain calm. How to remain calm during adverse scenarios. How to circumvent and come out of negative situations. Trading situations, of course. Nothing in life, but only trading situations. How to come out of a negative situation across. Right? So these are the basic outlines. Now, what do I expect to give you in return? I expect to make you a proper trader who's a disciplined trader. Which is why I would like you to join this course. Because each time you learn from scratch, you will learn like a clean book, which is freshly being written upon. If you learn in a structured manner, you will learn well. If you learn in a haphazard manner, you would tend to skip out few nuances, which is the reason why GMT is coming in here with a broad experience of almost 4 decades plus. Why? Take the advantage of this. You have 4 decades of experience being offered to you on a platter. Take the advantage, extract the juice, extract the essence, and drink it into your body, absorb it into your body, and implement it. Learn from our mistakes and grow on your own self. That's the idea. Learn from us and grow by yourself. Become good traders, initiating your own trades. This is why we here will fill in the gap. There are umpteen courses, but each one wants to make you join for life. We don't want you to join for life. But if you are joining for life, it means you're going to be dependent upon us for every small thing. Whereas that is exactly not the intention of our group. Our group intends to make you professional traders themselves. You become self-reliant. Self-reliant. That is the most important thing. You could be sitting currently in Canada. Tomorrow, if you all want to come back to your home country and start trading, you will be more than welcome. You have an additional skill in your body which is imbibed and burnt into your mind. Imbibed and burnt into your mind. So you could start trading without even battling an eyelid. That is the essence. That is where we come in. We would imbibe that discipline in you. We would imbibe that discipline of following a strategy, fixed strategy, and controlling it every time. There is no harm in taking a loss if your strategy has gone wrong. It's always good. Because when you take a loss smilingly, you're basically reaffirming yourself that my strategy has not worked for a particular reason. Let me find out why. And then move ahead. Right? Now, after this, I'll run you through the course content, what the course content is all about. How have we structured our course for you? So that you will realize that the course is structured in such a way that you would get maximum benefit out of it. As we say, it's a beginner's course, so we are going to run you through a course overview starting with basic trading concepts, giving you both trading concepts of fundamentals as well as technicals. What are the basic concepts required? What are the kind of trading requirements to be done? Is it intraday? That is, I buy or sell today and I square off my trade by the end of the closing hours. Or am I carrying it for a few days, which could be short-term swing? Or am I investing for the stock for the future? Possibly I'm looking to fund my child's education 10, 20 years down. I'm creating a portfolio of wealth for that eventuality. So I could be an intraday trader. I could be a short-term swing trader. I could be a long-term investor. Each of the three requires a different skill. Somebody like Nishant or Prasad who are working would like to become weekend swing traders. They would trade or punch in the trade, research and punch in the trade only on Saturday, Sunday. The whole week he's not bothered to look in the market. And then he will look at the trade after another week or so, in case the trade has executed or not. So that is a weekend trading. That's a trading style. Each individual has a different trading style. After this, we will teach you what are the platforms that are available for the Canadian markets. What are the platforms available for the US markets? What are the stock exchanges available? Why are there so many multiple stock exchanges? What are the brokerages available for you to open an account and to trade on these platforms? What are the different types of trading accounts? You have your TFSA, you have RRSP, you have your personal accounts, cash margin accounts. Why are they different? What are the brokerages responsible? What accounts will give you free brokerages? All this will be guided through to you. Some of you would already know about it, but for those who don't know about it, this would become a refresher course. After these basics have been taught to you, we'll now come to our basic structure of our course teaching. We will teach you what candlesticks are. We will teach you how candlesticks are actually formed during live markets. We will teach you simple but important candlesticks, which you will have to adjust your eyes to capture on a running screen. Tick by tick. It could be minute by minute. It could be 2 minutes by 2 minutes. It could be 5-minute ticks. It could be 10-minute ticks, half an hour ticks, 1 hour ticks, 2 hour ticks, 4 hour ticks, 1 day tick, 1 week tick, 1 month tick. I could go on. The period is left to me depending upon what my style of investment is. But 15 important candlesticks will be taught to you there, which are most critical of all nature. Next in line would be the next upgradation to the candlesticks. After the simple ones, you go in for automatically the complex ones. Don't you? You must learn to progress. You are no more going to study ABCD. You must now learn to count numbers and go beyond. Right? English numbers and then Roman numbers, whatever you call it. But complex pattern candlesticks will be taught to you there. After that groundwork has been created, we will then discuss how technical analysis is being done. What you have been watching us practically on every weekend, Kamal and me, sitting and debating with each other, sometimes even arguing. We have different points of view. Very often you realize Kamal, me and Tahir will have 3 different points of view, but somehow we will finally merge and come to one consensus view. It's a game of probability. So you find your support and resistances. Now, what is support and resistances? These are technical terms used by technical analysts. A support is a place where the market will not let you go down further. A resistance is a place where the market will not let you go any further. One will not let you go down further. One will not let you go any further. So the any further will bring you down. The support will push you up. Simple terms, trend lines. The market is always working on cyclical parameters. What are the trend lines being formed? How do you draw them? Why are they important? How do you draw a trend line? There are a lot of technical analysts who have done the technical courses, but still if you ask them to draw a trend line, they can draw a blank. And that blank can really cost you a lot of money. So how do you draw a correct trend line? How do you draw a correct support and resistance zones? And then the strategy comes in. You have a support and a trading strategy. How does each support and trading strategy work? What are the lacuna in each strategy? What are the drawbacks? What are the negatives in each strategy? Which is the first thing which you must know in trading? What is the negative that can be expected? The positive is anyway what you are looking for, but you should be geared and ready to receive the negative first and receive it with a smiling and an open arm. But that is going to be teaching you how to improve your trading skills. Then comes your indicator part. Your trend indicators. What is the trend? Which direction is the market going to move? Is the market going up, but is your stock going to go down? Is your stock going against the market trend? That is where the trend indicators will tell you. Or is it going with the market trend? Momentum indicators. Is he starting to gain momentum? Like when you drive a car, you don't put your car in the 4th or the 5th gear directly. It's the first gear. Why? To take it out of inertia. To start a little bit of momentum starting off. And steadily you ramp up your speed. 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. But that is for people like me who drive a manual car. For people like Aditya or like Kamal, they would rather take an automatic car that, boss, let me figure it, let me press the accelerator, brake and speed off. Good. That is momentum. That is where momentum comes into play. Next would be volatility indicators. How volatile is your stock going to be in future? That gives you an idea whether what to expect in the immediate day or two or over a period of time. If it's going to be highly volatile, you could be hitting your stop losses and lower circuits or upper circuits both ways. The momentum will actually kill you guys if you are not alert. So volatility indicators is going to be helping you a lot. And last but not the least is volume indicator. Price is giving you the trend. Volume is going to tell you, is the trend going to be held or not going to be held? So you will use all 4 indicators to basically refine and define your strategy, which is individual to each one of you separately. After you do that, you will now start using other chart patterns, which are regular chart patterns using multiple candlesticks being formed together. Why do you use these chart patterns? To understand what can happen in future. After all, stock trading is nothing but a game of probability. All these chart patterns will tell you if it's a double top, double bottom, or a flag and pole, or a gap, what to expect in the future. Depending upon that, you will take a trade depending upon your risk appetite, what quantum of trade will be taken up. Now, I've already jumped 2 or 3 slides already ahead. I've talked about risk appetite. I've talked about, so you are talking about trade sizing also, which will come later on in future. But to go back to the earlier one, trading strategies. You have breakout strategies, which we will be teaching you. Pivot point trading strategies, which we will be teaching you. SMA crossovers, EMA crossovers. Why are they different? And then I'll be teaching you Bollinger Band strategy. Now that is a specific strategy which I'll be teaching you. Specifically, I will be teaching you on that strategy because that requires high precision. It requires you to be observant and it requires you to play with numerical numbers. It requires you to be observant by your eyes, how lines and graphs are going to be moving in future. And that is highly effective. It returns almost about 85% profitability ratio. Right? So after giving you these 5 strategies, you can then choose whether you want 1, 2, or multiple strategies to follow and excel in. Now, this being a beginner course, I'm giving you 5 strategies. Next time when we're going to introduce the next session, you will realize how many more strategies are coming in. Right? So you will steadily improve your arsenal within your body, within your mind, how you will grow your money. How you will grow your money using strategies. Thereafter, we'll talk about trading psychology. Now, what is the investor psychology you're going to work on? Is he going to be watching your markets tick by tick, minute by minute? Or he's going to be watching your market once a week? Or he's going to be watching a market once a month, once a quarter. There are a lot of traders whom I know who don't look at the markets at all. They will look at the market every quarter, every 3 months. They are not bothered about the whipsaws and the ups and downs of the market on a minute to minute or hour to hour basis. They say that is not their concern. They have entered a trade with conviction and they will only watch the trade after 3 months. They are that convinced of their trade. That is the investor psychology we're playing on. But a trader will work on a different psychology. He will say, boss, I have pumped in $100. I want to take out 110 today or 105 today. So I'm only looking for $5 profit on a $100 investment. That's it. Or I'm looking for a $1 or $2 investment return on a daily basis. Good, great. Now imagine if you get 2% return or $2 return on every $100 invested on a monthly basis, 22 trading days. On a $100 investment, if you keep your 100 constant, you would earn $44 profit on just a 2% return. So in a month, you have earned 44% return on your $100. That's the kind of trading psychology you can have. Then it would be a market psychology. How does the market behave? The fear, the greed, going against the market sentiments, that is what is market philosophy all about, psychology all about, right? After teaching you all this, gearing you up, we will tell you, how do you find stocks to trade? What stocks to trade in what scenario? Is it a bullish market? Is it a bearish market? Is it a sideways consolidation? Or what kind of a market is happening currently? How do you realize that? Using your directional indicators. Then how do you find your trades? So you will use stock screeners. How do you find the trades? Now the stock screener will tell you when to buy. The stock screener will tell you when to sell. Keeping in mind what strategy has already been explained to you. So you will learn when to buy, when to sell. Then your trading psychology again comes into play. Position sizing. What is the risk to reward ratio you're going to use? How are you going to be positioning your money? If you have $100, are you going to put all 100 into the stock market? Or are you going to put $40 into the stock market, keep the 60 into your arsenal for a second trade or a third trade? You can't risk all your eggs in one trade. That would be foolishness. This is the basic course content we would do it. Clear, guys? Then, of course, is the team. You have Kamal with you, which you have seen us. You have Tahir, who's my lead instructor. Aditya, who's my data expert. Vivek, who is a crypto expert. And me. The five of us combinedly have got about 4 decades of trading experience. Now, trading experience doesn't mean only in the US market, only in the China market. It's the trading experience that you have. Markets are markets globally. They all follow the same rules and regulations. The Bollinger Band theory is being done by Mr. John Bollinger, who's sitting in the US, and very accurately followed across the globe. The candlesticks created, developed, refined, further refined by the Japanese, but used by everybody across the globe. So whatever you're learning, you can use it in any markets, anywhere in the world. That's a skill which you will have with you for life. A skill which you will have with you for life. Keep that in mind. Right? I'll now request Aditya to take over, talk about the course, talk about the fees, and if required, I'll come back again for the surprise packages that we have for you. Aditya, all yours.
Sure. Thanks, Kamal. Thank you, Vivek. I think that was good information, helping us understand like what's in for the course. And if you have any questions, guys, as Vivek has mentioned, the floor would be open once I explain to you the details. I know some of them have come up with the course details and then about the discounts and other information. So this is where we're going to help you out, provide you with the details. So as you're aware, we would be launching the course officially on the 14th. So we would have a couple of orientation sessions, that is today and tomorrow, if anyone would try to have an overview before they actually start the course. And as an early bird offer, we are offering this course at a nominal price of $299. So the original price is $399, but we have got a 25% discount because I know most of them wanted to have that. So guys, it's your time to join, and this would be available until the 14th. Post 14th, anyone who would try to enroll or who wants to enroll, they would be paying $399. So we've got a week's time from now on to decide if you want to join, like what's the price. And apart from that, in terms of what the course includes, I can provide you with details. But before that, you can see that there is a referral bonus as well for $15 for each referral. And just to add on to it, there is no limitation, guys. You can refer one person, 2 people, 10 people, 15 people. There is no limitation. You can say refer 20 people and get back 300 back instead of getting a course as well. So that's something which is at your discretion, as if you've got anyone or so many people to refer as well. And then there is something, a caveat that is mentioned in terms of the 90-day money back through profits, which I'm going to explain right now once I go into the course details as well. So in terms of what the course includes, so as Vivek and Kamal have already explained, so this has got 15 plus topics on trading. There'll be a few more topics that will be added here and there just to ensure that we give you that adequate information and knowledge to trade as a professional. And as you already mentioned, this is a 16 plus hour course duration. So when we say 16 hours, it is basically 2 hours on a Saturday, 2 hours on a Sunday. So it is a weekend session, guys. So you need not worry about what if I'm working, what if I have an evening class, or what if I cannot wake up in the morning. So there are no hassles at all. This would be between 1 to 3 in the afternoon on a Saturday and a Sunday, starting on the 14th of August. And apart from that, some people might have questions. Okay, I've done the course, but I've got few more queries, or how do I try to understand certain topics? So taking into consideration those kind of students, we are offering a refresher course within the first 3 months. So if anyone wants to do a complete refresher or only wants to join certain topics or wants to understand only certain aspects, they can readily join the course within the 3 months after the completion. So that is something that is available as well. And apart from that, coming to the point which I mentioned earlier in terms of money back through trading profits. So I know people might be saying, okay, I've invested so much, but how is it that you guys can help me in getting my money back? So once the course is completed, or while you enroll for the course, you would need to be depositing, you should be able to open an account for yourself, whether it will be a registered or non-registered account based on your comfort. And then once you put in certain amount, we would be able to help you by providing with the certain trades in terms of when you would need to get in and what would be the take profit and other stuff, which we're going to discuss once the course starts. That way you would be able to get back your money, at least your money, if not more, from those profits. And then there might be instances wherein people might need hand-holding. Though they have been enrolling into the course and they've completed the course, they might have questions as to, okay, do I get in, do I not get in, or why is it that I miss certain stuff? How is it that I can gain that knowledge? So we'll be hand-holding you, trying to explain to you. So we'll be having a premium group for all the students as well. And finally, everyone would be like, okay, I've completed the course. What is it for me? So you'd be getting something known as a certificate of completion, which would provide you with the details of what you've completed. And just a quick one, guys. So you will not be the first one to get it, because I've already been enrolled for this and have got through this course as part of attending Kamal's course. So I think anyone who would be getting it would be second or more. Of course, that's just on a humor side. That's it, guys. And apart from that, I think that's majorly what it is. So if you have any questions and queries for either Vivek, Kamal, or myself, the floor is open to you guys now. Thank you.
Yes, guys, if you have any questions, unmute yourself and feel free to ask now.
Guys, if someone is shy to ask the questions in terms of, say, to speak, you can even type it in the chat. The floor is open, guys. You need to utilize this time, because this is where you would get to know like the information that you need, or if there are any questions that are bothering you, or if you feel there is anything that we were not able to answer in terms of what you explained right now. The floor is open to you.
Yeah, so I have a question, Shakil here. So the point wherein we say money back through trading profits, right? So let's say we enroll for the course, and then from Vivek sir or Kamal or from the experts, we will come to know which trades to book at what time and when to exit, right? To book the profits.
Yes, it's absolutely correct. Yes,
Shakil, what we'll be doing is we'll be sharing our trades well in advance. So you would know in advance what is the entry points, what is your stop loss, and what is the target you are achieving.
Okay. So Vivek sir, this course is, sorry, go ahead.
Please carry on.
Yeah, so this course is designed to give the basics, and I went through the topics just to understand and the technicalities of it and everything. But then the way we have been, the way you guys have been, actually I have not been following that much, but the way you have been following every weekends with the tips and analysis of the stocks, right? What to buy, that will still continue to continue, right? Every weekends.
That will continue, but will slowly taper away. It will become refined. We would use our suggestions of future trades only for our students. We would not be sharing everything with on the open platform.
Got it.
How are we trading fresh trades? How are we entering into fresh trades? We will not stop our analysis for our community of friends, but our fresh trades which we are going to initiate will be first given to our students.
So the students who will enroll for this course, right?
Actually, who will have to earn their money back. The idea is that within a stipulated time, assumingly you put in $3,000 in your trading account and you start trading, I should be able to generate that $300 or $400 into your account, even if I have about out of 10, 3 trades in which my stop loss was hit. I should still be able to generate that amount so that you have earned your money back and the course has become free for you. Your education has become yours free of cost.
Mm-hmm.
That is the intent.
Yeah. Also adding to Vivek and Aditya. So this is also one of the reference number where you would be able to target yourself to achieve that. Okay, I have learned from this course. Can I take trades which helps me to hit this number, to get this number from the market with what I learned from this course? We will be giving alerts that alerts are an add-on for you to get your money back.
Because Shakil, when you look at the next point, which is hand-holding in the GMP Premium Group, that is where we would expect our students who have joined us to generate a trade and ratify it with us. Yeah, I am planning to take this trade. Are you in agreement or not? So if we are not in agreement, we would then tell you why we are not in agreement. It's an extended learning process.
So basically, we will get an idea what to buy and when to exit, and also because the trading platforms which we should be using, right? We will get all those information.
Exactly. As we have always been saying, I want you to make your own trades. So you will, when you ratify your trades with us, you would get confidence that no, yes, I am able to do it. So possibly first 2 or 3 trades, they may require correction, but your 11th trade, your 12th trade, your 15th trade, we may not say, Shakil, no, you are good enough to go. Your trade is perfect. Possibly we will follow your trades. That will be a credit to us. I will feel great, highly happy if I find Shakil taking a trade and I am saying, Shakil, I think I'll also take this trade with you. That's a compliment to our trading, how well we have taught you.
Yeah, so sorry.
Yeah, tell me, Shakil.
So Vivek sir, so going forward, basically the most important thing as a beginner, right, is to know in what trades to get into, right?
Yes.
Because it's very difficult to identify which trades to go for, right? So I think with this course and going forward even after the course, we will get that expertise from you guys, right?
Precisely.
That which trades we can go for, the way we have been doing every weekend, right? Yeah.
Yes, but on a much better and refined scale.
Got it. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Nishant, any questions? Rishabh, any questions? Anybody else having any questions?
Hello, Nishant here. I have a question regarding the technique. So I went through what you explained, Vivek sir, that there will be like 5 techniques that will be taught during the session, during this course.
Yes.
So, and then you also mentioned, probably you may share a book which might contain up to 200 techniques. I'm just wondering, for an individual, let's say, whether it's me or you, what do you think, 5 techniques will do, or one should learn all 200 techniques, or just one technique is good enough? I mean, I'm not very sure that if someone is, someone is just working with 5 techniques, can he expect, good returns, or he needs to eventually learn more and more techniques going forward?
Nishant, let me quote you an example of a martial artist, Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee has very famously said, he does not fear the opponent who knows 1,000 kicks, but he fears that one opponent who has practiced his one kick 1,000 times. Because that one kick, which is practiced 1,000 times, he's an expert on that. That one punch is enough to deal a death blow to the opponent. That is what you want to do. You learn one strategy. I can know hundreds of strategies, but if I am going to follow only one strategy, which I am an expert on, I will very rarely err, because I know all the nuances of the trick. I know all the nuances of my strategy. When should I enter? When should I exit? What can I expect next? That I may myself know about, of the 200 odd strategies, I may only know about 3 or 4. But if you ask me personally, I'm practicing only one, or maximum I will do is I will practice the second one for a confirmation call. I do not look at any third strategy at all. At all. Keep that in mind. Never. I'll only look at 1 or 2 strategies, or a combination of both of them put together into one. That's it. I will never clutter my space or my chart with a lot of trend lines or whatever it is. I don't want to do that. I want to keep my trading simple. It should be enjoyable. You should enjoy your trading. You should not be sitting with trading and chewing your nails. That's be of no use to anybody, neither to you nor to your family. You should enjoy your trade and ask your partner, boss, I want a cup of coffee and I want it spiked with brandy and with rum and with whiskey. Enjoy my trading. That is the way you should be actually enjoying it. So one strategy or two strategy on the upper limit, but identifying that becomes your skill, because there are so many strategies in the market. Which one is most attuned to you, most liked by you, by your personality, by your profile, is known to you only. Not even me, not even Kamal, not even any trainer in the world. Everybody will have a different style. That is why you have different trading styles across. When I started my trading way back in 2007, I was basically a swing trader. A swing trader looking at one-day chart, weekly charts. But today, if you look at me, I'm looking at a 1-minute chart and trading. I'm trading on the most volatile counter on the Indian stock market, the Bank Nifty. The most volatile counter. It changes approximately about 500 points in a day. And I'm watching it on a minute-to-minute chart. The eyes get trained accordingly. That is the training that I expect you to imbibe through me. Take that benefit out of me. Everybody will be different. You pick up one strategy or two strategy, and that is sufficient. For all you know, Nishant, at the end of the first beginner session, you said, Vivek, thank you very much. I don't want to see your face again. Your balding head, I don't want to see again. I'm happy with the 5 strategies you've given me. I'll make my money comfortably. And what money am I asking you to make on a daily basis? 2% or 1% per day? Return on capital 1% per day. Can you not make that much? If you can do that 1% a day, you have 22 trading days in a month. You are returning 22% per month on your capital. Can you get a better job anywhere else? Please let me know. I'll also join you. 22% return per month. No way. No way can you get a better one. If you're a better trader, like we have on call here, there are option traders who can make better money. Yes, I'm not saying no, but the risks are different. They are much better. But those are all for advanced, experienced, professional traders. But for novices like you and me, I think 22% return per month will be very handsome. Your family will be very blessed and will be very happy.
That's where we wanted
Thank you, sir.
to.
That sounds.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was about to say that sounds amazing. I mean, 22% per month. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It might not be possible for every month, but even if we are targeting for this much, this is amazing too.
Nishant, even if you go wrong at 22%, are you happy with 11% a month?
Oh, for sure. Actually, if I look at my portfolio,
so then what am I saying?
18%.
What am I saying? 50% drawdown, 50% trades going wrong. At 11% per month also is good enough. That's 0.5% per day, which is not difficult, Nishant, which is not difficult.
And we are not talking about the account size. We are talking in terms of percentage. So whatever account size you have.
This is such, it can be scaled up anytime. It can be scaled up. I mean, that is where we would be talking to you of strategies and telling you how to enter a trade, what kind of trade to enter to get you that return. Look at it this way. If I can stand over here and sit over here and tell you, I'm going to give you money back of the fees that you paid to me, that as through trading profits, after taking your stop loss hits, after taking your stop losses, you will still be able to get your money back. That means your entire 5-week duration, which you have done till mid-September, would become, your education would come free. Your education is free. That skill is free for you for life.
True, yes.
That's the intention. That is the intention. Anybody else? Any questions? Devakar, Sanjeet, Prasad, Shruti,
Michael,
Parth and Hardik, I will not ask because they are already experts on their own.
Please feel free to unmute.
Ask.
Yep, no questions, Vivek, from my end.
Thank you, Prasad.
Yeah.
Thank you, Hardik, for your appreciative comment. And so Hardik says, you guys are doing good work since last year. This is great course with insight information for every trader that help to be successful in the growing together journey. I would encourage everyone to enroll in this helpful and knowledgeable community. Kudos to me and the team. Thank you, Hardik. And
Hardik, coming from you, it means a lot. Now, Hardik is an expert trader.
No, don't call me like that.
Hardik is a seasoned professional trader. That's what I call you. Hardik, seasoned professional trader.
Thank you so much, guys. But I'm really here just to wish you guys it's amazing work that you are doing, and I would love to encourage everyone to get into this course. Don't consider that you are paying for the course. Consider you're just gonna pay for the knowledge, and knowledge is the key. It's gonna last with with your lifetime, course of the journey. It's something you're gonna learn today just by spending 1 or 2 hours, but this will last forever, and you can make plenty of money out of that. $200, $300, it's not gonna it's not gonna matter much. So this is a sincere request, everyone. This is an amazing course. I have gone through many webinars that GMT team was taking. Tahir, Vivek sir, that Kamal, everyone have been so helpful. They never ask for money, but when it comes to the advanced level, you just need to think of the level of effort they are putting into this entire course and growing this GMT group to the next level. And that's why here are the paid courses, but that will definitely give your money back. And that's what I understood with this webinar. I want to wish you good luck to everyone. This is amazing work. Keep up doing the same work.
Thank you, Hardik. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shakil.
Thank you all. Thank you, Hardik, for your amazing words. And I hope you all those who all would be watching this recording and are on the call, can resonate with some of the words that Hardik spoke and you would experience if you join us. So I would encourage you all to go through our website. We have things streamlined, so you don't have to hassle on what's the registration process. You can come to this page and add to cart and you are good to go. Or if you are landing on the home page, you could enroll right away from the home page as well. Since you have already gone through this orientation and know what the course is, you could click on enroll now and that would get added to your cart. Proceed to checkout, enter your personal details and your banking details, and then place order. So the steps are pretty simple. Even if you have additional queries, additional doubts, please feel free to contact us anytime. This GMT team, the GMT different groups are open always. Just post a message or either in the groups or PM to us. We would be happy to answer and assist.
Yes.
Thank you all for joining and giving us this time to help you understand what value we are trying to add to you through this beginner's course and how this beginner's course would be a investment in yourself for life to grow money. With that, thank you all. Thanks all the speakers and everyone on the call for joining.
All the best, GMT team. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
And guys, just one more point. We would have this orientation session again tomorrow. If anyone again wants to rejoin or if they want to forward to your friends, we are more than happy to do that if anyone would benefit from this.
Thanks, Aditya.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. And guys, also in terms of if you have any questions, I think you got the email address as well below. So Kamal, that's contact@growmoneytrading.com. So you can directly send an email to us and we would be more than happy to assist you. And it will not be more than 24 hours within which you should receive a response. So there is an option wherein you can contact us via email with any questions or queries that you have. If you feel there are any unanswered questions, you can just email us by contacting us in this email and we'll be getting back to you with a response.
Or feel free to DM us directly.
Yeah.
Either WhatsApp or anything else. You have our numbers on the groups also.
Okay. So thank you all and hope to see you all in the course next week, which starts on 14th. See you all.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody.
Have
a nice
great rest of
weekend.
the day and a great weekend if we don't speak again, guys.
Have a nice weekend. Stay safe. Stay blessed.